I just haven't cleaned my car. Don't judge me.
You are not breaking that window.
Okay. Ma'am, I need you to stay in the car.
Yeah, you guys are gonna be in big trouble.
Yes, I had 2 drinks.
Miss.
No, I know. I didn't pay the lesson.
You're not allowed to touch. You're not allowed to break into the car.
Stay in the car.
I just want to witness it.
Okay, no, you have to stay in the car.
No.
Oh!
Stand up.
Miss.
I'm
Okay.
in pain.
Oh my God! You seriously putting your hands on my?
Hey, how are you? Just have a driver's license, registration, proof of insurance with you.
Both cars or no?
I'm sorry?
Both of us?
Yeah, if you got yours, sure.
He's like...
I'm sorry?
I didn't insurance.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Like, I don't get pulled over. I don't know where my... Registration ID. Insurance, registration, and license. They gave me my license.
I have your passenger's license, I believe.
I have a picture of my license.
I have yours. What do you have a ticket for there? You're holding a ticket in your hand. Is that yours?
Yeah, I gave this ticket. I just haven't cleaned my car. Don't judge me.
Okay. Where are you guys coming from today?
Donovan.
Donovan's?
Yeah.
Alright. How much does you have to drink today?
I had nothing. I'm literally rapping right now. So I'm not drinking. I can show you if you want.
You're the passenger in the vehicle, so I'm not too concerned. I'm concerned with...
Yeah.
Have you had anything to drink today? Any illegal drugs? Any... Just alcohol?
Yes, I had 2 drinks.
2 drinks? Okay. How's your license?
What?
How's your license? Are you suspended? Anything like that?
Oh, no.
No? Alright. Do me a favor, turn the key off and just throw the keys up on the dashboard for me, alright? I'm gonna go double check your license and I'll be right back.
Careful.
Alright, Karina, step out of the car for me.
Why?
Because I want to talk to you on the side of the road, probably
You know
get a...
what? I can drive home.
What do you mean?
I didn't drink anything.
Alright, that's fine, but...
I can take a
So the
speeding test. I could do anything you want. I just haven't.
The only issue I have is... The reason why I'm stopping you guys in the first place is when you were coming over the bridge, I noticed that you guys were failing to maintain your lane. I saw you guys laughing and joking, but as I continue to follow you guys down the hot...
Right away, you can see several warning signs that officers are trained to notice. Laughing at inappropriate moments, inconsistent answers, and difficulty staying focused. None of these automatically prove intoxication, but together they create reasonable suspicion to investigate further. The real question is this just nervous behavior? Or is something much bigger about to unfold?
I know my
Well,
listen.
But I
Well,
can drive perfectly.
we'll cross that bridge when we get there. The other issue is... You handed me a driver's license that says you're not 21 until next year.
I'm 24 years old.
So,
No, the driver did.
No, I'm 24 years old.
So, right now I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle so we can talk on the side of the road. Step out of the vehicle. Alright. All we're going to do is we're going to step on the side of the road, we're going to have a chat, and we're going to go from there. Alright? How long ago did you guys leave Donovan's?
30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago? How much did you really have to drink?
The fish are on this too. They really got me.
Really got you. Alright.
They got me.
So, like I said, I stopped you because the whole way down the highway, you're not maintaining your lane. Ma'am, stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in.
Miss, get in the car.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm new to this. I'm like way too...
That's alright.
Do you have ID?
Yes, of course. I'm on medication right now.
I just need to see your ID.
That's why I didn't drive. Hold on, Danny. I'm trying to find my ID. Relax. I literally
Is this vehicle in your name, ma'am?
No, this is not my car. It's not my vehicle. I'm on medication, which is why I didn't drive. I'm getting sober.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, just stand over here. Do you have a shirt that you want to put on?
Oh God, I guess I do have a shirt.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's why you're not
Thank
cold.
you for thinking.
This pink letters or orange letters, just stand right there.
And do what? I'm sorry.
All right. Why don't you put the sweatshirt on?
Oh,
When I instruct you to, you're going to lift a leg of your choosing approximately 6 inches off of the ground. Alright? You're going to count out loud, 1,000 to
Here's something a lot of people misunderstand. During a DUI investigation, the passenger's best move is usually to stay calm and avoid interfering. Every interruption distracts both the officer and the driver, making the situation even more chaotic. Sometimes trying to help actually makes everything worse.
1,000 to manner until I tell you to stop. I'm going to explain it to you. Okay?
Is that like 6 inches? Oh my God, maybe.
Karina?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
I want you to pay attention very closely to what he's telling you to do. All right, you're going to stand with your foot parallel to the ground. Ma'am, just stay in the car, okay?
I'm sorry. I'm
right.
looking for my
Ma-
license.
That's okay. That's okay. It's
not
fine.
taking
All
it
right, ma'am, just stay in your car. Let's start from the beginning. All right. So I want you to start from the starting position. All right, ma'am, I need you to come to the back of the car. Ma'am, I need you to stay in the car. We are on a highway. No, I need you to stay in the car. We're on a highway, okay?
1,000 to 1,000 to 1,000. 1,000. 5,000.
All right. Patrolman Albator is going to conduct another test with you, okay?
Alright, we're going to take a series of 9 steps, touching heel to toe on each step. Just do me a favor, get back to the starting position. Okay, you're going to go back. 1, 2, 3, until you get to 9. Heel to toe, and you keep
All
hands at your
right.
side.
Miss, I need you to stay in the
No,
car.
I am. There's somebody coming
Okay.
for me.
All right, just
I am gonna stay in the car.
okay. Just stay in the car. Okay, that's fine.
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
I
Just stay in the
wanna
car.
leave. Can I hold my hand out the window? Is that okay?
Yeah, let's just close the car door. Okay, you can stay with the window open. Did you understand the instructions? You're going to use.
Is that like?
You're going to. So let's go back to the beginning.
Alright,
All right.
stand right here.
Just listen.
Take a deep breath.
All right.
I'm going to explain this to you one more time.
Just like that. Do you have any questions? Yep, your feet like that, your arms at your side. Miss, just stay in the car.
I just want to witness it.
Okay, no, you have to stay in the car.
No, I want to
Ma'am,
witness it.
you need
I'm
to stay
so
in the car.
sorry, but I'm
Miss,
hearing what you're saying,
you
and I need to witness the.
Okay, do you realize that by interfering with motor vehicle stop and what
If
we're
you
doing,
wanna
that we can
arrest
also
me-
arrest you for obstruction? So please
Okay,
get back
do you
into the
wanna
car.
arrest me?
I really don't. I
don't
want
want
you to get into the
either.
car.
I just want to see
So
what's
then I
going
need
on.
you to get into the
Listen,
vehicle.
I'm in pain. I can't
Okay.
sit. Can I stand? Can I
I
stand
need you to
here?
get into the vehicle. I need you to get into.
Can I
Miss,
stand?
I need you to get into the vehicle and stay in the vehicle.
I'm
Miss,
begging
I need
you.
you
I'm
to get
begging
in.
you for
Miss,
let me
I need
stand.
you to get into the vehicle and stay in the vehicle. We are on a highway.
I understand.
Okay, I need you to
Listen,
please get into the vehicle.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I have to finish what she's doing and then I will come back and talk to you.
No. I'm not that stupid.
Okay. All right. What's your
just
name?
wanna stand up.
What's your name?
Olivia
Okay.
Morrow.
Okay. I need.
My boyfriend
all
is right here.
Okay. You need to stay in the vehicle. We are on a very busy highway.
I understand
Even
that.
when your boyfriend gets here,
I
you
understand.
cannot leave this vehicle until I tell you you can
completely
leave this vehicle.
I'm
Do
very
you understand?
sorry. I'm very sorry.
Okay. Please
It's
stay
just
in the.
'cause-
Please stay in the vehicle.
During each step, I want you to touch heel to toe and count out loud. Okay? I'm going to demonstrate it. Again, I'm going to do 3 steps just for time's sake, and you're going to do 9. Alright?
Phone calls. Achievement arrest or an app. In other apps, no phone calls.
Stand once again, feet together, hands at your side. Alright?
I know. I just want to
Miss.
arrest me.
Miss.
This is my mom's car.
Okay,
I need
miss.
to sit here.
But listen.
I don't care.
No, miss.
I'm in pain. I need
Miss.
to stand up.
Miss.
I'm in pain.
Miss.
I understand. I'm not trying to disrespect you.
Listen,
Turn it off. I'm in a lot of
calm
pain.
down. You cannot just run out of a vehicle on a motor vehicle stop until we allow you to
I
go.
understand. I will stand wherever you want me to.
Listen.
But I need to stand up.
Listen.
I cannot sit. I cannot sit. I will stand there. I will stand there. I will stand anywhere. Please let me stand. Anywhere.
You need to understand.
I understand.
Okay,
everything you're saying.
No, you have not, because you have not listened to a thing I have said.
I will listen
So
to you.
if we go back to the car, once you're free to leave, I will allow you to leave with your boyfriend, okay? But you cannot just run out of a vehicle when you are on a motor vehicle stop.
I'm sorry, but can I please, can you let me stand?
Okay. I'm going to let you take her, because I'm afraid that she's going to next run and cross the highway.
I'm not cross the highway.
Okay.
I understand.
But that's why I'm nervous of, because she has not listened to anything that we have said this entire time, and she's been very belligerent.
I just
Okay, I want her to be safe. I want her to get out of here. I think she does still have belongings in that car. I cannot let you take those until we're done with what we're doing. So if you want to hang out
We'll hang out
right here, okay, that's
This is where the officer's patience really stands out. She's given repeated warnings instead of rushing to make an arrest. Legally, continuing to ignore lawful commands can quickly cross the line into obstruction. The tension is building because everyone knows one more bad decision could completely change the outcome.
okay. That's fine. All right,
Listen,
but she can't. She's not going to be. If she gets into this vehicle,
if she wants doctor's notes, I will give it to her.
what I'm going to do is I am going to arrest you. If you don't get into this car. Okay.
No. Get in the car.
Listen to your boyfriend and get into the car.
You're gonna get it.
I'm sorry.
34-136.
Do you have anything in your car that you're gonna need? Cell phone, wallet?
Everything.
Alright, we'll grab some stuff for you.
I cannot believe that.
Alright, let's go back here. Did you call it out?
Yeah, I called them. So this is her purse.
Perfect.
Just stay in the car. Just stay with her, please. Thank you. Sure, these are her shoes since they were on her side, and I think this is her purse.
Is there any way?
Okay.
What police station?
So Highlands.
31079.
It's been a little bit of time.
Why? Oh, because you rule? Obstructing? I'm taking I'm filming. What's obstructing?
Yeah, but stay over there.
Oh, you guys are fucking ridiculous. Hey, you can't get your hands off the car. You're not allowed to touch the car. Who the fuck do you guys really think you are? Holy shit! You guys think you can do anything? You're gonna pull her out of the car? Yeah, you guys are gonna be in big trouble. Why does she need to get out of the car?
By the way, the TikTok lawyer posted this on his channel and it looked like this. It was a vertical inverted video. Luckily, because he made two mistakes back to back, I was just able to flip it and enlarge it so we can actually see what's going on. Now, he was saying that they are going to be in so much trouble if they drag her ass out of the car. And I would just love to hear what he's talking about, because obviously it's imaginary trouble that's going on between his two ears, because he has no power. None of his sovereign citizen bullshit has ever worked in the past, and it will never work in the future. So they're just going to move on with their day like nothing happened.
No one's gonna touch her anyways. You're not allowed to touch her. You're not allowed to break into the car. Break my window, do it! You do not have consent to touch my car! No, you're not! You are not breaking that window! No! No, you can't, because you can't arrest you. There's no judge on duty tonight.
Get out of the car now. Get out of the car now. I will
No, you're not towing my car either. Do it, break it. You have no consent to touch my windows. You have no consent to touch my car. There is no such thing. What crime did she commit? Oh, big time now. Breaking my fucking window, pulling my wife out of the car? You guys are ridiculous. Here you go. Oh, I can't wait for this. Oh my God, you're seriously putting your hands on my wife? Fucking get your hands off her! What are you guys are not police officers, are you? Who the fuck are you guys? No, handcuffs are illegal. You cannot put handcuffs on her.
Netterosky, remember this, Netterostic and douchebag speaker, we know speaker. Some other douchebag, some other douchebag. Call the let's go. You resist again?
Now the video shifts into an entirely different kind of confrontation. Confidence sounds impressive, but confidence without legal knowledge can be dangerous. Watch carefully, because the claims that you're about to hear may sound convincing, yet they have very little connection to how the law actually works.
Seriously busted the window out my fucking car? You're gonna be paying for that. You're gonna be paying for all of this. It's against the law. What the fuck is wrong with you guys? You guys are fucking criminals. Holy fuck! Get out of my car! Get out of my car! Right there just got you fired, motherfucker! Right there just got you fired! Shut my door in my car!
Buddy, I told you, one step closer, you're getting it.
I'm not closer to you, you walked farther away, so I can walk closer. And what am I getting arrested for?
This is the critical moment. Refusing repeated lawful commands doesn't magically stop police from acting. It often gives them more legal authority to escalate. Nobody wants to see a window shattered, but once every opportunity for voluntary compliance has been ignored, officers may use reasonable force to complete the arrest.